Standard third. Subject EVS-2. Hello students. Today we are going to learn interesting topic, that is lesson number 22, who fulfills our needs. Part 1. So student, before starting, I will like to ask you few questions. Here is the first question. What does your father do? So students, tell me, what does your father do? Yes, some of your father do jobs, some have their own business, some are doctors, engineers, etc. So here is the second question, that is, what would you like to be when you grow up? So students, tell me what you want to be when you grow up. Yes, some of you want to be teacher, some of you want to be doctor, engineer, etc. So now we are going to start with our chapter, that is chapter number 22, who fulfills our needs. Food, water, shelter, and clothing are the basic needs of every living thing. They are our basic need as well. But human beings have many other needs beside. For example, we need clothes to wear, teachers to guide us, and a doctor if we fall ill. Different people work to fulfill our needs. Their work fulfills some of our needs as well as their own needs. Such work is called an occupation. So students, occupation is a job or a profession. For example, doctor treats patients, worker works in office, teacher teaches in school and colleges, shopkeepers sell goods to people. So they are engaged in their own occupation. Types of occupations. There are various types of occupations. They can be divided into four main classes. Number 1. Nature-based occupation. For example, agriculture, fishing, etc. Number 2. Manufacture. For example, making automobiles, making pots, making clothes, etc. Number 3. Trade. For example, selling farm produce, shopkeeping, etc. Number 4. Providing service. For example, those given by a teacher, a doctor, a bank, etc. So students, have you understood that there are various types of occupations? Now we are going to learn the importance of agriculture. Agriculture is an important occupation in our country. Everyone in the country get food because farmer works in the fields. Our food includes items such as bhakri, chapati, rice, dal, vegetables, and salads. These items are prepared from crops grown in the field. Crops like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice, pulses, as well as leafy vegetables and other vegetables are grown in the fields. Other needs are also taken care through farming. For example, we get sugar from sugarcane. Cotton are used to make garments. Farming of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and medicinal plants is also carried on a large scale. Medicinal plants like neem, tulsi, aloe vera, ginger, and many more are considered as home remedy in many parts of the country. Agro-based occupations. Agricultural products can be used to undertake many other occupations. Fodder is created in fields. It is used to feed cows, buffaloes, and sheep. Thus, as we cultivate the land, we can raise these animals also. We obtained milk, meat, and leather from animals. Grain grown in fields. It can be used to feed chickens. Fruits grown on farms can be used to prepare jams and jellies. Poultry, animal husbandry, and fruit processing are all occupations depend on agriculture. They are called agro-based occupation. So students, main occupation in India is agriculture, fishing, cottage industry, handicraft, etc. Some village occupations are family business. Sometimes people carry on the work that their father and grandfather did before. However, in our country, we can choose the job we want to do. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the lesson.